Coronavirus-related deaths in Brazil has finally crossed the 50,000 mark in Brazil, making it the second worst affected nation in the world after the United States of America. But President Bolsonaro and his supporters have shunned the pandemic as a flu and continue to defy the mandatory social distancing norms. As Brazil continues to fight the pandemic, supporters of Bolsonaro took to the streets of Sao Paulo and have demanded that government lifts the COVID-19 related restrictions. The demonstrators, draped themselves in Brazilian flags, gathered at the city's main avenue and violated all distancing rules.
Padroeira do Brasil, clamamos pela ação de São Miguel.
País, nós entendemos que é o momento de sair, lutar pela democracia, contra o racismo, por causa que estamos vivendo um momento muito difícil, onde a nossa liberdade está em jogo. Então, se não viermos para as ruas igual estamos fazendo, é perigoso que amanhã não teremos mais nem liberdade para estar protestando.
President Bolsonaro and his populist followers have claimed that COVID-19 related rules are nothing but a job-killing measure and that it appears to be more dangerous than the virus itself. Critics of Brazilian government are equally fighting and opposing Bolsonaro's unfounded claims as deaths are peaking in the country. Opposition has also called for President's impeachment for his improper handling of the virus. The impact of novel coronavirus has spared none in Brazil. The virus has reached the interiors of the Amazon rainforest, killing several indigenous tribals. Recently, the deadly disease also led to the death of a famous indigenous leader who had accused Bolsonaro of using the pandemic to eradicate indigenous tribes of the Amazon. However, Brazil has deployed a team of army doctors to help fight the pandemic in the remote town of Italia do Norte along the border with Peru.
Porque eu estava sentindo sintomas, né, sentindo ruim, aí vieram essa equipe, né, eu aproveitei o momento para fazer, que é na hora, resultado. E para prevenção da minha família também, né, que eu tenho uma filhinha lá que ela é asmática e tenho medo que eu esteja contaminada e não sabendo contaminar ela. Aí por isso que eu resolvi vir.
The lethal coronavirus is spreading across Brazil and Latin America at an accelerating speed, but the government of Brazil appears to have put its politics ahead of people's lives. As its leaders are arguing against restrictive measures, fearing adverse economic impact. As of now, Brazil has reported over 1 million cases and more than 50,000 deaths.